Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'll be talking about Bitcoin. As always, the video is sponsored by PrimeXBT. The link will be in the description, as well as 2 promo codes. So definitely check out PrimeXBT, and big thanks to them for sponsoring this. Alright, so let's get right into the charts. Gonna give my thoughts again on Bitcoin, what I'm seeing, the game plans I'm watching and stuff like that. So maybe start off by saying that initially when we were trading right here, I took a short and closed it out on this dump. The reasoning for that was basically because we had all of these clean lows to the downside. So quickly gonna mark those out. Okay, and then we had supply up here. So sideways price action that led to this. So supply here with clean invalidation for shorts above here, okay? So anyone who shorted here or on the retest, if we got that, had a clean invalidation above here. If we were trading above here, we would probably squeeze a lot higher, okay? So clean invalidation for shorts with clean liquidity resting to the downside. Yeah, that's a high probability short for me. So that's why I took a short here, didn't risk too much. And it was something like that and closed most on the dump here. Okay. Anyways, right now we saw more downside. Okay. Let's start off by marking out the range that we're trading in. So we had this initial dump from 60.8k from up here. Okay, this dump, and then from this low we saw a bounce. Okay, so this was the first low where we saw a decent bounce and sort of set up a base up here, well, down here. Okay, so what we do then is mark out the low and mark out the high and draw a range. And then we get this. Okay, so low that led to this high. We didn't take out a high, we dumped, okay, swept or deviated low into this low. Sadly, we didn't sweep this low, but anyways, the reaction from the lows here was pretty strong in my opinion. And liquidity is definitely resting to the upside in my opinion. Why? The lows have been swept, higher time frame lows have been swept as well. And we have clean unswept highs to the upside up here and an untapped weekly open and untapped supply. So that's why I'm mainly looking for longs down here. Now we also broke above the local mid-range and the daily open. So I'm mainly looking to buy dips here. If we do something like this, sweep some local lows right here into this low time frame consolidation, that's definitely a long in my opinion. Up to the highs, take profits at range high. This consolidation, just trim some off and then the weekly open. Or you could hold it for a swing higher, but I'm not ruling out something where we do this, then reject at supply, set up a bigger range, and then go for new highs. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind. What's the bearish scenario? If we break back below this consolidation, which is the consolidation that led to the breakout, so this should definitely hold in my opinion. Stops below here are safe in my opinion for longs. If we do break below here, then things could get ugly in my opinion. Now we have equal lows resting below here, so the play I'd be watching then is we have a clean pivotal area around here, so then I'll be looking to buy dips on the sweep of these equal lows into this blue area, something like this. Quick wick, bid this invalidation below here probably, and then target new highs, okay, as a swing. But that's only if we get below here on the lower time frames, below this lower time frame consolidation. As you can see, that's a lower time frame range where the highs were swept and the lows were swept. Okay, so from this low we swept that low and then we got this reaction. Okay, so that definitely tells me that this is a must hold. So invalidation below 53.8, and apart from that I'm buying dips. All right, I hope that's clear. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.